Awuko is a traditional mid-sized enterprise located in Hanmünden. More than 100 years of experience in the abrasives production have made Awuko to a brand for quality abrasives. With a flat corporate hierarchy, technical know-how, as well as short channels of distribution, we are a highly efficient partner. Satisfied customers in more than 100 countries and an export share of over 70% stand for a successful and sustainable business. Continuous quality control, as well as constant further development of the abrasives, ensure high customer satisfaction and fulfill the permanent growing demands of the markets. Incoming goods controls and the selection of the right raw materials are essential for the production of high-quality abrasives. For this reason, we work exclusively with certified suppliers of raw materials. We produce our jumbo rolls on 2 modern production plants with a unique production width of up to 2 meters and 5 and a total capacity of 20 million square meters per year. In the production, papers of different thicknesses, as well as cotton and polyester supports, are used. Their structure and flexibility are adapted to the various grinding processes. The performance of the abrasives is largely determined by the grain bonding. Therefore, synthetic resin is used predominantly as a binder. For special applications, requiring a very fine sanding, we offer hard glue bonded products. The various assembly possibilities allow us to offer a wide range of products. From a sanding disc via bale goods up to the segmented belt, we can fulfill customer requirements. Years of experience, trained staff, as well as a close cooperation with machine suppliers allows us to use our capacities in an optimal way. Only this way makes it possible to offer quality products made in Germany to attractive prices worldwide. The high quality standards are guaranteed by means of the TÜV certified quality management. For example, each segmented belt undergoes a final inspection before shipping. By the help of modern exhaust air treatment systems, we assume additional responsibility for our environment. The storage area of nearly 15,000 square meters guarantees at all times the availability of goods, short delivery times, as well as a high level of flexibility. Your specialist for abrasives, Awuko. Everything for the perfect finishing.